Grand evening, traders. It is Monday, April 22nd. The time is 5:54 p.m. When I last left you, it was with this prediction line and me saying that the price would go below 60K and most likely below the swing low of the Fibonacci. Well, we got half of that right. Price did go below 60K, as witnessed right here by the long wick. Immediately got pushed back before it could reach the 100% retracement on the Fibonacci, causing a reset. And from there, we just been on a run, uphill run, slowly inching our way back up to 70K. With the old consolidation lines all being active along the way up. So it's a good thing that I left them there. Otherwise, there'd just be some blank space on there, and I'd be like, oh, well, that's maybe an old consolidation line. But now we know for certain. That's another reason why I leave them up. Anyway, looks like we're headed towards 70K. Give us several days to get there. I don't see anything on any indicator right now that would suggest um, a reversal or a retracement. We just barely broke above the 50% retracement level on the Fibonacci, and this old consolidation line right here is currently acting as a bit of resistance. This area right up in here before we get to the consolidation, it's acting as resistance, and that's where it looks like it's going to start biting us right there. I believe we may have like a little sideways movement in between this consolidation channel right here, which the bottom of this consolidation is actually the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. And the top of the consolidation is a little bit past the middle of the 50% and the 38.2% retracement levels. So I expect a little bit of sideways movement right here before we continue our trajectory on upward back to the 70K levels. I'm expecting us to hit our new ATH within, what's today's date? The 22nd. Okay. New ATH possible by the 29th. That would be next Monday. If everything goes right and we keep up some good momentum here. Don't run into a really strong retracement right now. I don't think that's going to happen. I think we're going to continue on up and maybe find some trouble once we hit the 70K. A while back when we hit it, we ran into a long consolidation, or at least a medium length consolidation for a while before we could get past it. Let me see, is that back here? There it is. It's back here. We had the consolidation back here. Took us 29th. Took us a couple of days to get out of that consolidation. So we may run into that same problem when we get back up here again. Remember, or actually look and see that right there at the 70K profit point, there's also a consolidation line right above it, laying right on top of it. So we could have some trouble getting past that point, just like we had a little trouble getting past the consolidation line here and the 65K trigger point. We've had trouble getting past that. Once we got past it, Now we're headed on up a little bit better. I believe we're going to continue on that trajectory. We may dip below the line again. Let me see, like we did right here and here and here. But just like we found support at all these levels, I believe the same thing will happen here. If we dip below, there's the old consolidation lines and possibly trigger points and Fibonacci lines there to help us out. So, in my opinion, we're going to continue slowly chugging along back up to 70K, looking for that new ATH. What was the old one? 73.8, I believe it was, something like that. Actually, it should be what the swing high is, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, that's the ATH. 73,835.57. Sorry about that. That was some data being transferred to another computer, obviously, and it was letting me know that it was complete. So, guys, I'm going to wrap it up right there. Obviously, I've got a little bit of work to do on some other things. So I'm going to go ahead and hop on into that. I'll see you guys tomorrow, hopefully at an earlier time. Until then, you guys have a blessed evening. This is the Dark Sage signing out. Peace.